Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna take a look at another pinball machine from my collection. Now this is the Medieval Madness from 1997 by Belly Williams. Only 4,000 made back in 97, so not many of them left today. So we're gonna take a look at maybe one of the best looking Medieval Madness I have ever seen. This one is in beautiful condition. We're going to take a look at the playfield. We're going to take a look at the cabinet. We're going to take a look under the playfield, look at some details. I'm going to explain some of the shots, quick go through the rule set and why this pinball machine since 1997 is just rated as #1, the best pinball machine of all time. Today it's still a highly collectible. It costs, in this condition, I will think about, they will go for about 10,000 euros today as I'm filming 2020. Corona chaos everywhere. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at the case first, cabinet first, and then I will go through the playfield. It has got new decals on the cabinet. It has been clear coated on the cabinet with UV filters so it won't fade on the colors and all that. The playfield has been clear coated. It looks amazing, guys. But other than that, it's everything is with matching numbers. Everything is in original condition. Nothing with LED lights, color display, nothing. It's just original. As I can see, no mods, no nothing. Still uses the old bulbs. They're replaced, of course, but filming this
I am the future.
in a bright day, it doesn't look that good with these bulbs, but when it's dark in this game room and I play this game, it has got the best atmosphere. It feels, back in the medieval times, and you're really fighting these kings, the Duke of Bourbon, Lord Howard Hertz, who the fuck are you? Sir Psycho and the King of Pain. So let's go ahead and take a look at this game together.
It's a bit dark at this side, but just so you get the idea, this one is in beautiful condition. Look at how bright the colors are. I really love everything about this one. Let's just go ahead and take a look at the other side. It's lit up much more, and it has got this mirror effect because of the clear coat. Really love it. Look at the colors on this side. I mean, they're so vibrant. They look amazing. Look at the side up there. I mean, thinking about it's from 1997. I must say it's in really nice condition. Let's take a closer look at the playfield together, guys. If we just start from the flipper area down here. As far as I can see, no broken plastic, no nothing like that. Now, first of all, this playfield, if we get some light, as you can see, it has been clear coated. Not easy to see on the camera, but yeah, you can see the glare there. Just like, I don't know if you can see my fingers here. Everything is just glossy, mirrored, and I mean, look at this. It looks, it's hard to explain, but us pinball collectors, when we have something like this in this condition, we just feel like they play better. I mean, oh man, it's just hard to explain. So the playfield is just in real nice condition, clear coated, protected, so easy to clean. I mean, after you get some ball traces, They're just so easy to wipe out because of the clear coat, and also you know, not getting anywhere and all that. It's just, I love stuff like that. So this game, why is it so popular? Why is it so awesome? This is again from 97, WPC 95 with DCS sound, and let's just go ahead and start a game and go through some of the rules together. So this is the best angle I could get. You can't see the flippers, I know, but you can see the DMD display, so you can, you know, see what's going on. So when you launch the ball, you can actually, you have two lanes, so you can choose one of them and get your bonus multipliers. You can also hold down the left flipper and launch the ball. Then it will start a hurry up, so you can get one of the hurry up shots and get 1 million points. So I always start like that and getting the hurry up. That's nice. So what to do in this game? You have to defeat all the kings, and to do that, it's pretty simple. You just have to hit the gate, the door, and it will open. The first king, you have to hit it maybe twice. Second king, you have to hit it 5 times, 8 times, 20 times, and so on, guys. After the door opens, you have a metal gate, physical metal gate that you have to bash a couple of times. Then it will go up, and then you will shoot the ball through the castle and destroy and kill one of the kings, and so on. So that's an easy task. So an everyday player, or you know, at a location, you can just go up and you know, if you're new into this, press on the flippers, get the center shot, and have a lot of fun. But if you are a more advanced player, then you have some different tasks. Every shot, we have catapult shot, joust, peasant, trolls, save the damsel, and joust loop again. So you have to hit them 3 times and it will give you a hurry up. After you do that, with all the different shots, you will play for the Royal Madness. So that's how you complete them. You can actually, when you make this, and you have to do that 3 times, complete them. Oh, sorry guys.
Yeah, that's the white water.
We're gonna move the camera just a bit while the white water plays. One of the fun things about this one is actually going for the catapult slam jackpot over here. So when you do this shot 3 times, when you hit it just like this and the balls go down to the catapult and shoots, it registers as 1 shot. But back here it has got a switch. So if you give a hard shot, you will hit the switch, then it registers as 2 shots. But every time you get 3 shots, you will get an animation at the display, so you can shoot the castle with a basketball or a bowling ball, a cat. You can throw a cow. I mean, Williams pinball and cows. Yeah, you know what I mean. So, but if you shoot it with 5 different, you have to choose and press at the right moment. If you shoot it with the catapult 5 different stuff, then you will start a barnyard multi-ball. So you will hit chickens and cows and all that. Really fun. That's a really fun mode that I'm going for when I play this game. Other than that, trolls are these two down under these 2 points. We have these trolls that pops up. Really nice effect. So with the trolls, with the castle, with the dragon, with the gate that opens to the damsel, this one has got a lot of toys, guys. I mean, this catapult shot also feels like a toy. Love that. So a lot of dynamic movements on the playfield. It's not a static playfield like the Iron Maiden Pro. I love Iron Maiden Pro, but I mean, nothing moves other than the 3 drop down targets. So you know what I mean. This one is just amazing, and this game is just loved by so many collectors, and the modding community. You can mod this with knights and dragons, and Merlin, and oh my god, you can buy so much awesomeness for on this to this pinball machine. So let's just go ahead and film up here so you can see the animation. I'm gonna show you how the what's it called? How the castle explodes, how you kill the kings. Yeah, there we go, guys. Let's just go ahead and start a new game. Yeah, the volume is alright. So I'm gonna hold the left flipper down, and I'm gonna launch the ball. Oh, as you can see, I'm almost out of time. Didn't make that shot. But I opened the gate, and I will try to shoot the gate a couple of times so you can see the animation for the destruction of the castle. Okay, we have some troll action. Nice. And the comments they're making, I mean, I'm a kid from the 90s. Never nice to play with open glass, but yeah. I'm gonna ignore the trolls. I'm gonna try to, there we go, destroy. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? One of the coolest gimmicks on this game. I mean, I love this. Yeah, there we go. You can see some troll action. And as you can see, I have to hit this one, and oh, we have, there we go, troll champion. The catapult, look at this, guys. Really love that. I will show you at the animation, as you can see. And third time, there we go. Then you can see you have the 5 different things you can throw at the castle, so you can just press. There we go. We just threw him the cow. Nice. One more to open the castle door. Let's do that. There we go. Knock, who's there? And all the kings have different voices, call-outs. I mean, and I'm a kid from the 90s. Come on in and we'll take this outside, Lord of Bourbon. You know how it is, drunk fella. And if we,
I love you, man.
all right. Last time, let's kill that king and yeah, stop making all that noise. So the extra ball is lit. Now, we're gonna try to save the damsel. I really like that shot. As you can see, the gate is closed. And if you make this loop, that was second time. We will hit it one more time. And now, the gate at the back side is opened. And look at the animation now. Now we will save the damsel. Isn't that just beautiful? So many different stuff to do on this one. And also the large shot for the multi-ball. Oh, sorry. Oh, come on. There we go. Designed by Brian Eddy. I mean, back in '95, Brian Eddy made such a good job on the, what's it called? Attack from Mars that, I don't know, they just said, make the same game, make the same layout, but with, whoa! These air balls, they're just so irritating, and it happens because of the clear coat, guys. It's just, and of course, powerful mechanics, but it's just, it's so fast, it's, yeah. What's going on? Come on, there we go. And we have got multiple. Such an amazing game, guys. Such an amazing game. Look at the animations. Yeah, there we go. Let's just take a look under the playfield. As you can see, it's just packed. those are the trolls in the middle. All clean, all beautiful. We have new set of decals. We have all the original like everything for the Medieval Madness, as you can see here. And I also have some other stuff here, guys. Look at this. Something. Oh, look at this. That's the metal gate that opens, guys. This is just new old stock from... Oh, yes. Some dragon wings and the gates for the trolls and pop
I am the future.
caps. And look at this, man. All new. Also some plastic thingies over there. Oh, this is nice. I mean, look at this. Another castle. Some more troll thingies. Slingshot plastics. Beautiful stuff, man. Some metal stuff, some decals and stuff like that, guys. So, I mean, the condition is on this one is just, again, look at this. Look at the mirror effect of the cable. Isn't that nice? Again, 1997. In amazing condition. Let's just look inside the backglass also. Right. Let's take a look at the back box. Now the first thing you'll look at when you do something like this is the matching numbers. As you can see, 89. 89. And there we go. 89. So it is the, all three boards are the original WPC 95 boards. You have to check under the batteries. We don't need nothing juicy from those old batteries, and these are Duracell batteries that can hold to 2028. I actually replace batteries every second year just to be sure, guys. They cost nothing. Also look at the GI cables and all stuff like that. No bird cables, no nothing like that. And this one is just in such a nice condition. So this was my Medieval Madness review. I really hope you liked it. If you see one of these on location, go ahead, put in some money and play it, because it's such an awesome game. And I'm sure if you have just a bit pinball love in you, you will really like this game. It's an awesome game. Also in a collection, guys. I mean, there is a reason it's rated so high for so many years. So until next time, I hope you will subscribe, because some other pinball reviews will be on the way. Have a great day, guys.